Unlock the power of seamless connectivity and watch your productivity skyrocket by mastering Zapier. Today, we're diving deep into how you can integrate your favorite applications and automate repetitive tasks with Zapier, transforming your daily grind into a streamlined masterpiece. At its heart, Zapier works on a simple trigger and action principle. A trigger is an event in one app, and an action is what you want to happen in another app as a result. Let's walk through creating your first automated workflow, often called a Zap. Imagine you want to save every important email attachment from Gmail into a specific Google Drive folder first. We'll select Gmail as our trigger app. We'll then choose the specific trigger event, like a new attachment arriving in a particular inbox, or with a specific label. This tells Zapier when to listen for activity. Next, we define the action in our example. This will be Google Drive. Zapier will then prompt you to select the action event, such as creating a new file. Here's where the magic happens. We'll connect your Google Drive account and then map the data from the Gmail trigger, for instance, the attachment's file name and its actual content, to the correct fields for creating a new file in Google Drive. Once configured, you can test your Zap to ensure it's working perfectly. This simple automation means you'll never have to manually download and upload attachments again. The possibilities are endless. You can automatically add new form submissions to your CRM, post social media updates across multiple platforms, or even get Slack notifications for important events. Automating tasks like these frees up your valuable time for what truly matters. Start integrating and automating with Zapier today and experience a new level of productivity.